In recognition of their successful completion of the two-day training on understanding personalized service and enhancing guests' experience, conducted by world-class chef Geoffrey Vistal, held at Lamian Restaurant, Oslo New Village. This comprehensive training covered key areas essential to elevating our service standards, including food safety and sanitation, recipe costing, departmental budgeting, profit and loss management, menu engineering, and recipe development. Your dedication to learning and professional growth reflects your vital role in the continued success of Lamian Restaurant. By applying these newly acquired skills, you help create exceptional dining experiences for our guests and contribute to making Lamian one of the most trusted and sought-after dining destinations in the region. May this achievement motivate you to serve with heart, grow with excellence, and lead by example in the hospitality industry. Awarded on the first day of May 2025. This certificate is proudly presented to Annalie Alcain.
You, congrats.
Delia Polmo. Arnel Reyes. Angel Mika Kaernang.
Biglang naging iiyak.
Christian Angelo de los Santos. Jerome Pasinio Piscante. And the last but not the least, Jonah Tayori.